supreme Olúwa Alájí àgbáyé. Ọ̀gá Karim.
Child, there is God. Oh. Continue.
Everybody should stand on your own. No shaking, no movement. Because we had an information that something badly happened at Jagora.
Funke.
So because of our promise in the court of arms, that we must defend our nation.
Child.
We are now moved to here. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
There is God. Oh.
Àwọn students yìí ń kọ́. Are they not because of war? See, I will first of all go and consult on my father Ogun to give me a 45 minutes. So, if I be a man without bulletproof, no gun, should I go alone to face the bullets? Tell me, if I be a man, will you allow Oga Karimu to go and face the bullets?